Lego notebook, a Barbie pencil case, Lego erasers, and a marker and a skirt? Watch the battle of Barbie versus Lego school supplies in our new video. Ben is a successful businessman. All day, he makes calls and closes deals. All of a sudden, bright Lego pieces break into his gray reality. What are these here for? These are real Lego markers. Pierce a foam rubber sheet with a hole puncher. Hot glue the circles to a marker. Make it look like a Lego brick. Coat the entire surface of the markers with acrylic paints. Attach a logo label sticker to the cap of the marker. It's been ages since Ben played with Legos. He even forgot how much fun it is. He draws his feelings with the Lego markers. It's a sad emoji, but the marker turned out to be magical. It quickly transports Ben to Miss Smith's school. Something similar is happening to Rosie the housewife. She cleans and cooks strictly according to a recipe every day. It's all routine, no improvising. She writes down a shopping list. Suddenly, a childish pink Barbie marker appears in her hands. Wipe all the text off a pink marker with nail polish remover. Fold pink tulle in half and hot glue it to the marker. Shape a skirt. Make a belt from a satin ribbon. Decorate it with pink half beads. Attach a jewelry crown firmly to the cap. Add a label that says Barbie with white acrylic paint. Add a heart. Rosie is a serious lady. You can't scare her with toy magic. But another marker appears in the kitchen. These Barbie markers have ganged up on her, and they send Rosie back to school. Ben and Rosie are in school again. And Miss Smith is busy doing her favorite thing. She's eating muffins and watching The Teacher Bachelor. Whoops! And who is this? Are you guys new? I need to look serious. Business Ben and Rosie don't understand why they're here. They left school years ago, but Miss Smith figures everything out. They are here to bring their levels of seriousness down. We changed the topic of the class. No formulas and graphs. We have Barbieology and Lego-matics today. Let's bring back some childish fun for these boring adults. Coat a hardcover notebook with a primer. Color it with pink acrylic paint. Mix stationery glue and some Chameleon pigment on a paint palette. Apply the mixture onto the cover with a sponge. Trace a Barbie head logo on a white foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Hot glue it to the notebook. Attach foam rubber sheet details on top. Decorate it with half beads. Rosie has a cute pink Barbie notebook. So many shades of pink. And Ben gets a Minecraft-themed Lego notebook. Hot glue Lego plates to the cover of a notebook. Choose darker colors from the Minecraft color palette. Cover the notebook with the Lego pattern. Hot glue a little square plate to a Lego Minecraft minifigure. And attach it to the cover. Add a Lego lawnmower. And attach corners. Ben and Rosie are at a loss. These are notebooks for kids. There is even a Lego minifigure here. Don't get distracted. The first task is to draw what brings you joy. Well, that's simple. Ben draws serious things, a laptop, money, and a phone. And Rosie draws prizes and winning a cooking show. Miss Smith asks them to show her their work. Don't be ridiculous. You call that happiness? Miss Smith gives them both a failing grade. They don't pass the childlike happiness class. The teacher knows how to inspire her serious students. Let's arrange a battle to find out which school supplies are better. Lego and Barbie crayons will help them bring back their childhood memories. Ben gets weird Lego crayons. Take wrappers off crayons. Chop them and fill a silicone Lego-shaped mold with them. Melt the crayons in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and let them set. Make a cardboard box and wrap it in a Lego-Crayola label. Ben takes colored Lego crayons out of the box. And Rosie got an adorable doll with colored hair. Take the head off an old doll. Cut off the tangled hair. Take out the remains with tweezers. Put the head back. Microwave pink crayons. Dip the head into the liquid crayons. Repeat several times. Make a few layers of wax on the head. Stick in a piece of a crayon as a bun and make it more 3D with melted crayons. Scrape the wax with a toothpick so that it looks like hair. Decorate the hairdo with a satin ribbon and a foam rubber sheet star. Rosie and Ben are trying to draw with their crayons. What an unusual method! Ben has never drawn with Lego crayons before. Turns out it's a lot of fun. And Rosie draws with a Barbie hairstyle for the first time ever. Her hair makes a nice pink line. With these crayons, the friends draw and bring back the brightest childhood moments. Good job! Ben's Lego crayons win this round. The score is 1-0. Miss Smith is teaching a practical class. Let's refresh the right way of playing with toys in our memories. Rosie colors her notes, and Serious Ben is distracted by formulas again. These students are so disobedient. Their grown-up habits take over, but Miss Smith knows how to get their childhood spirit back. Let's erase the serious look from Ben's face with toy erasers. Wipe the label off an eraser with a nail polish remover. Cut a pink eraser to make it thin. Attach a Barbie head sticker onto the eraser and cut it out with a modeling knife. Remove the template. Attach the paper silhouette to the big eraser. Fasten the cutout eraser head on top. Add a printed Barbie title. A Barbie eraser appears on Ben's desk. It looks like someone mixed up school supplies. Ben never played with dolls, even when a child. And Rosie gets a Lego eraser. Cut rectangular erasers of different colors and sizes. Cut out thin plates. Make circles in them using a straw and attach them to the eraser blocks. Use Superglue. Shape them like Lego bricks. The students erase boring formulas in Ben's notebook with their fun erasers. Because correcting mistakes is also a fun game. Ben learned his lesson. Childhood wins. The Barbie eraser wins this round. The score is 1-1. The students are done with notes, and they start playing with their favorite toys on their own. It means that the course of childish happiness can end. It was a success. Miss Smith is proud of her kids. She rewards Ben with a Lego pencil case made from his favorite truck. Make a rectangular trailer from Lego pieces. Attach a lid. Add a fastener for a car and wheels. Load the Lego trailer up with school supplies. Attach the pencil case to a Lego truck. Wow! This car is awesome! Lego workers deliver all the school supplies in the trailer to Ben. What a great service! Ben is playing with his Lego team. Did everyone forget about Rosie? Where is her gift? Don't get upset, little Rosie. We have a pink Barbie pencil case for you too. Coat a metallic pencil case with pink acrylic paint. Glue a piece of shiny fabric on top. Cut doll boots in half. Cover them with paint. Apply white glue to the heels and the soles and sprinkle them with glitter. Hot glue the shoes to the lid. Attach a printed Barbie logo to the center. Rosie likes her doll pencil case a lot. It's so cute! And here's a Barbie marker. These school supplies are amazing. Miss Smith happily announces a tie in the last round. Everybody wins! It's time to say goodbye to the kids and return them to their adult lives. But Ben and Rosie will never forget the feeling of childhood happiness. Their inner children are fully awake. Let's play together! Did you like our school supplies ideas? Then write in the comments which school supplies you liked more, Barbie or Lego. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative school ideas on Troom.